In this video, I'll show you how to disable Smart Shuffle on Spotify. If this helps you, please consider subscribing and giving the video a like so others can find it. So the first thing we're gonna do is to open up Spotify, then you're gonna open the playlist that you want to listen to, and you're gonna select whichever song you want to hear. Now, Spotify offers 3 different options for shuffle. Now, the first option is Shuffle Play. This is when Spotify will randomly pick a song from your playlist. The second option is going to be a Smart Shuffle. What Spotify will do here is that it will select songs based on your listening habits. This option will personalize your listening experience, and Spotify will pick the song that will play next. And the last option will be to simply take off shuffle mode, and what would happen is that Spotify will simply play your playlist in order. These shuffle options are meant to give you flexibility and a better listening experience when you use a Spotify. Hope that helps.